Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will go to Ananthagiri Waterfalls that is located in Araku, Vizag. Let's go to the hilly region. Distance of 30 km from Araku, 3 km from Ananthagiri village, Tadimada Waterfalls that is also known as Ananthagiri Waterfalls. Located in Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. This is one of the tourist attractions in Andhra Pradesh. But for going to this waterfall, you have to go along a long way to reach there. Let's move to downside. The total height of the waterfalls is about 100 feet. But if you want to enjoy the scenic view, then you have to go in rainy season. The falls is around 1 to 2 km away from the main road between Ananthagiri and Araku Valley. And this is the place you can see here. You will really enjoy a beautiful scenic view by standing in this place. Let's have a little glance here. Wow! And downside you can see the waterfalls. And now this is the time to go there. Actually, people love Ananthagiri Hills because of their beautiful scenery and pleasant weather, and it is the great way to get into nature and spend little time. In my another video, I will show you the beautiful coffee garden near to this. This waterfalls is very much close to the famous Bora caves. People from all over the India come to this place to visit and enjoy. But I told you the best time to visit in Ananthagiri waterfalls is in rainy seasons. Let's take some selfie here, and it is a selfie point, you can tell. The waterfalls is nearly 1000 meters high. Let's enjoy the blissful sound and the scenery of these waterfalls. But you must be very careful, the road is so much slippery. Selfie also you need to take very carefully. The waterfall is very much small, but this is beautiful. And the famous thing to buy from here is tamarind. You can buy very natural tamarind from the tribal peoples from here. Spend some time here and you can see how people are enjoying this in these waterfalls. You can also enjoy. You can also take so many photos, videos and vlogs also. So now we have to go back, and from here you can see the total waterfalls. Wow, it's looking really good. अब लौटने का समय आ गया तो हमको अभी जाना पड़ेगा. The place is more or less beautiful and you can find so many hotels, guest house nearby. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and be with us and follow us on YouTube. Bye bye.